CBI withdraws plea in Supreme Court challenging Calcutta High Court order allowing house arrest of TMC leaders in Narada scam case. So, following adverse comments from the Supreme Court, the Central Bureau of Investigation has withdrawn the appeal filed by it before the top court against Calcutta High Court order allowing house arrest of four Trinamool leaders in Narada's case. A vacation bench comprising Justice Vinay Saran and Bia Gavai repeatedly told the Solicitor General Mehta during the hearing that the liberty of a person is the first thing to be seen, and that the issue of personal liberty cannot be mixed with other issues such as Chief Minister's dharna and public protest against arrest by CBI. The Solicitor General started the argument today by giving a factual background of the case relating to the dharna held by the Chief Minister of West Bengal before the CBI office and the protest led by a law minister in front of the court complex to protest the arrest of four leaders. The Solicitor General called them a well designed and orchestrated attempt to prevent the CBI from performing its functions. The bench then pointed out that the CBI's petition said that they were challenging the order of acting Chief Justice Rajesh Bindal, which had rejected the interim bail to the four leaders. The Solicitor General clarified that it was a mistake and the intent was to challenge the order passed by Justice Arijit Banerjee, which held that the accused should be granted interim bail. Justice Bia Gavai asked the Solicitor General whether the May 17 order of the High Court Division Bench, which stated the bail was passed after issuing notice to the accused parties. The Solicitor General replied that there was no notice. Liberty which is granted to a citizen can be deprived if you don't give notice to him. We will make it very clear that we don't appreciate the dharnas, but if Chief Minister or Law Minister takes law into their hands, should the accused suffer because of it, you can proceed against those persons who have taken law into their hands, Justice Gavai observed. The judge also remarked that action may be taken against those taking law into hand. The bench also pointed out that the accused persons are under surveillance of the CBI even while they are under house arrest. Therefore, the bench asked what exactly was the grievance of the CBI. We want to know, what do you want from us? What is the relief you are asking? The bench asked the Solicitor General. We have seen special benches being assigned to deal with liberty, but this is the first time a special bench is assigned to take away liberty. Justice Gavai commented in reference to the extraordinary sitting of Calcutta High Court on May 17. The bench also clarified that it was not supporting the Chief Minister or the Law Minister of the state and was only on the point of personal liberty. The bench reminded the Solicitor General that the High Court and the Supreme Court are on the same pedestal as far as protection of constitutional right is concerned. We have to see if bail can be granted or not with regard to other issues. Other remedies are there. In a bail matter, how far can a person go? Liberty of a person is the first thing to be seen. Conduct of others is to be seen in relevant proceedings. When the matter was taken again, the Solicitor General sought liberty to withdraw the petition. Taking down of this request, the bench allowed the CBI to withdraw the petition with liberty to raise the issue before the Calcutta High Court. Now, coming to background, on 21st May, following a split in the Calcutta High Court Division Bench of Acting Chief Justice Rajesh Bindal and Justice Arijit Banerjee hearing the case pertaining to the bail of four Trinamool Congress leaders who have been in custody since May 17 since their arrest by the CBI in the Narada scam case. The matter was referred to a larger bench. Justice Banerjee had passed an order allowing interim bail while additional Chief Justice Bindal had disagreed and stated that the four arrested TMC leaders must be kept in house arrest, which led to the reference. Accordingly, for the time being, the accused were directed to be kept under house arrest and were permitted to access files, meet officials through video conferencing so as to allow them to discharge their functions. The bench had rejected the request made by the CBI to stay the order for house arrest. It had also declined the request made by the TMC leader councils for their release on interim bail. Later, additional Chief Justice Bindal constituted a five-judge bench comprising of ACJ Bindal and Justice IP Mukherjee, Harish Tandon, Saumin Sen, and Arijit Banerjee to hear the matter. On May 17, the division bench had stayed the bail granted by the special CBI court at Kolkata to four Trinamool Congress leaders. The bench passed the stay order after a dramatic late night hearing held on the basis of a letter sent by the CBI seeking transfer of the case to the High Court, citing unprecedented mob pressure exerted on the lower court by the mass protest led by Chief Minister and the Law Minister against the arrest of the TMC leaders. The next day, the TMC leaders filed applications seeking recall of the stay order on the ground that it was passed without issuing notice to them. On May 19, the bench heard Solicitor General Tushar Mehta for the CBI and senior advocates Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi and Siddharth Luthra for the arrested TMC leaders. Singhvi and Luthra had prayed for interim bail on the grounds that the accused are aged persons having comorbidities. The bench was told that three of the arrested persons were shifted to hospital and one of them, Sovan Chatterjee, continued to be in jail.